as Dr. Fawzia has already read out the founding charter, these are, I'm going to be sharing a slideshow of the visionaries who had started the movement towards peace in South Asia and whose vision we are trying to take forward with our efforts here. So this is, I hope you can see the screen. Dr. Mubashir Hassan, Nirmala Deshpande, Madanjeet Singh, Sabeen Mahmood, Dr. Iqbal Ahmed, Dr. Saman Kelekama, Asma Jahangir, Kuldeep Nayar, Aye Rahman, Sania Hussain, Praful Bidwai, Sufia Kamal and Kamla Bhasin. These are some of our mentors whose vision we are trying to take forward with our work at Sapan to work towards soft borders in South Asia and to work for peace in the region and less focus on war and more focus on peace. This has been a cruel year. The last 2 years actually have been cruel, and we've lost a lot of allies, strong allies. I'm going to leave the slide here. These are the people that we've lost in the last couple of years, most of them to COVID and also due to other reasons. So we'll pay them a tribute with a moment of silence, and I'll leave the slide here for you to see. We've lost some of them earlier this year, and Dr. Muhammad Ziauddin and Dr. Ali Arsalan is just this past month. So we thank them for their efforts, and we hope to take forward their vision for equality and peace and human rights in South Asia. Thank you, everyone.